This recipe is for enriched products. We're going to use a Zest concentrate mix with this recipe. Within this Zest concentrate mix, there will be a number of different ingredients such as sugars, dried egg, dried fats and milk powders. It'll also include improvers. You'll follow the same mixing methods as you would for the full scratch mix, like tin breads, bloomers, batons and rolls. After the dough is mixed, you can scale the dough straight away. These will be around about 60 grams. You can then ball them off and place them back into a board for a further 5 to 10 minutes to rest. Alternatively, if you've got 1,800 grams, you can use a bun divider moulder, a BDM. You will use the same balling up motion as you would for soft rolls. Hands over the top of the dough, cupping it and then rotating. After resting the dough, it's then time to roll out your dough into finger rolls. You'll do this by placing your hand flat over the top of the dough and pushing back and forth. Spread your fingers out to give it an even over look. Once you've placed your finger rolls onto the tray, it's then time to place them into the prover. Remember, you've got to have the correct prover temperature and humidity. Enriched bun recipes will normally have a lower baking temperature compared to products like tins and bloomers and rolls. Once your buns have baked, allow them to cool down and then you can finish them with dipping them in fondant.